Easter's here, and if you're like me and like a little bit of chocolate every now and again, and you don't want to move away from your health and wellbeing goals, well, do I have the recipe for you? Hi, I'm Gemma O'Hanlon, accredited practicing dietitian and nutritionist at Hort Innovation. Now, what goes better with chocolate than berries? They are nature's lollies at their finest, and they're chock full of vitamin C, which is really important for us right now to help support our immune health. They're also rich in antioxidants, so think anthocyanins and flavonoids, which are found to fight free radical damage and have also been linked with boosted brain health. So what I've done here is I've made a quick and easy recipe that we can all enjoy this Easter weekend, which is my berry parfait. Now you could have this for breakfast as it is, or you might like to add a little bit of chocolate and have it as a dessert. So all I've done is once I've washed and patted dry my berries, I've simply layered in a glass some fresh berries, so raspberries, blueberries, blackberries and strawberries, and layered it with some thick and creamy, delicious yogurt. And what I'm then going to do is I'm going to sprinkle over some of my chocolate bark that I've made just beforehand. And if you've never heard of chocolate bark before, it's basically to mimic bark off a tree. And all you need to do, if you've got some Easter eggs lying around, is just melt some chocolate down and then just spread it very thinly on a piece of baking paper. And then you can add your toppings. So I've added some nuts, some pistachios and some roasted almonds and a little pinch of sea salt. Then it goes straight into the fridge for a couple of hours or until it's set, and then you're ready to go. So it's about quality, not quantity when it comes to chocolate. Dark chocolate is also better because it has high levels of those antioxidants. But it's a time to celebrate with family this weekend, and of course do it safely. So here's my berry parfait with chocolate bark. Now I hope you love this recipe. Please share it with your friends, and I'd love you to also share with me what you're doing this weekend to get creative with berries. Please tag us in our Hort Innovation handle or just post below, and we'd love to hear from you. Now, on behalf of the Hort Innovation family, I'd like to wish you a very happy Easter, and please stay safe and best wishes for good health.